If you are looking for an honest Writecream review from a real user, you have landed in the right place. I have been using the Writecream AI tool for the past 4 months. Through this article, I will be sharing all my experiences with this tool. Writecream is an AI-powered writing assistant tool that can be used to create written content automatically. The tool mainly helps with blog writing, but it can also be used to create copywriting, social media post captions, emails, and other types of written content. The main value of the tool is the ease and accuracy of writing, while also the ability to help with any word count. In this detailed Writecream review, you will get to know the features, pricing, future plans, pros and cons, and alternatives of this tool. What is Writecream? Writecream is a GPT-3-based content generation software. It is well known as an AI-powered copywriting tool because it works on generating content ideas on a large scale. Writecream helps all content writers get rid of writer's block problems and create articles smoothly. Writecream is a new market tool but has already helped many content writers in their writing process. This new tool has a bundle of useful features that help every content creator to become more creative. While generating content, it automatically checks the grammatical errors. The most important point about this copywriting tool is that it always writes the content with creativity and caring through human emotion. Writecream has many use cases. It is helpful for generating content for websites, blogs, advertisements, newsletters, emails, and social media captions. In affiliate marketing or e-commerce categories, this tool can generate the product title, description, and features with simple clicks. The best part of Writecream is that anyone can use it because of its simplistic interface. Writecream Lifetime Deal. Writecream Lifetime Deal is live on the Appsumo platform at just $59. This is a one-time purchase, i.e., you will get access to Writecream Premium for a lifetime. If you are a new user of Appsumo, you will get a $10 discount on your purchase. In this lifetime deal, you will get 200 credits per month and approximately you can generate 400,000 characters each month. All the premium features of Writecream are included in this Appsumo lifetime deal. No matter the reason, a 60-day money-back guarantee is also available in this deal. Awesome features of Writecream. Already discussed what Writecream is and you might get a brief idea about this tool. Now let's jump towards its best features to get more aware of every point about Writecream deeply. Best interface with recent activities stored. When you log into your Writecream account, then you will get a dashboard where you can generate your content. Recent activity is a good feature provided by Writecream where users can check its last generation. Most of the copywriting tools don't keep recent activities due to load on servers, but Writecream keeps it for user. Simple and easy to use. If we want to generate something like a blog introduction or blog titles or ad copies, you will get a separate category for each use case. If we take the example of a blog introduction, then you have to provide some information to get content generated. You just have to provide a brand and blog topic, and in a few seconds, it will generate a blog introduction for you. That's how it's very simple to use. Multiple content generation. When we generate something on Writecream, then it will generate different copies of the same content. Every generated article has its different tones and a bit different structure than others. Sometimes the generated content may not fulfill your expectations, but at least you can get some idea about writing the introduction on the provided topic for your blog post. Faster content generation. The content generation process of Writecream is much faster. It hardly takes a few seconds to write a blog post's introduction or conclusion. I have tested all the use cases and never faced any delay in output. Even Writecream itself claims to generate a 1,000+ word article in under 30 minutes. YouTube voiceovers and podcasts. Writecream helps you generate voiceovers for YouTube videos and podcasts from any blog articles. That's really a unique feature of Writecream that other AI tools do not offer. Some tools like podcasts, voice notes, YouTube video scripts, YouTube video voiceovers, and YouTube video ideation are available on Writecream for making your task easier. Creative ads copy generation. Ads should be highly engaging and attractive. This need for advertising is fully filled by Writecream. From Writecream, users can generate highly engaging and converting content for digital ad copies. Uniqueness and creativity can help you to boost your sales and conversions. All features of ads are available on their website under Digital Ads Copy Tool, where they provide Facebook ads and Google ads. Writecream is working on tools like Instagram and Twitter ads to provide more options while creating ads. SEO optimized content. If you want to rank on the top page of search engines, then SEO is the biggest key factor. So while writing content, SEO should be done at the same time. Writecream provides all the generated content with quality SEO optimization. Copywriting features. Writecream has some copywriting features provided in its tools. They are mostly useful for product pages on your e-commerce website. Users can generate features and benefits of a product with the tool. Before, after the bridge, value proposition, website title, and subheadings, SEO meta description can be generated through Writecream tools. 75+ languages support. Most copywriting software and tools have barriers to languages, but Writecream removed all the barriers of languages by providing 75+ languages support for content generation. Writecream mobile app. Writecream also launched their Android mobile app, that's why you can write anywhere on the go. You can download their app from the Play Store. They are working on developing an iOS app so you can see their app on the App Store after some days. Writecream Browser Extension. Writecream provided extensions compatible with all online text editors. It's a really amazing feature so you don't have to visit the Writecream website every time whenever you want to write something on your own. The extension helps to make your write-up more attractive, structured, and grammatically correct. Writecream is a new AI writing assistant in the market, but the output generated by this tool is really amazing. I have tested all the features and use cases of this tool before writing this review. This tool can definitely help you if you are a blogger, social media marketer, YouTuber, or copywriter. Why are you late? Get Writecream Lifetime X's one-time purchase of $59 only.